Yo, what's the deal, everybody? It's your boy Simon Khalil here, back with another one. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate y'all very much. Today's topic, let's talk about the reel I did a couple of weeks ago. Does gear actually matter? Does it matter to you? Let's find out. I posted a reel a couple of weeks ago. Does gear actually matter? It's your boy Simon Khalil here. I've been getting this question a lot lately. Does gear actually matter? Got two answers for you. One, gear doesn't matter in the beginning. But if you're a professional, number two, investing in gear does matter. Make it a fucking priority. Peace. Could be controversial, could not be controversial. We'll see in the comments below. But my comment was, if you are a professional and not worried about gear, you might be fucking up. Now, take that how you want. That's personally my opinion. When you shoot professionally, and what I mean by professionally, you're getting paid to do these jobs. You're getting paid to shoot weddings. You're getting paid to shoot product photography, portraits, anything of that sort. If you're exchanging money for a service, I look at that shooting professionally. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean everybody is a professional. Talent comes into this as well. Now, what I mean by that is there's a clear indication between talent and someone who is progressing along. Like, talent can only take you to a certain level. Now, I am somebody that I don't find myself being talented. I am self-taught. And this is why I say it's controversial. You could say I'm not a professional because I didn't go to school for it. For me, that's bullshit. I don't believe you need school to become a photographer. I'm completely 100% on YouTube University, and that's how I learn. So, you need the gear to be a professional. You may not be capable of doing some of the jobs that you're hired to do so if you don't have the right gear. It's that simple. And I'm taking my mentality from being a gearhead and throwing it out of the window. So this is me strictly focusing in on you needing to understand and be self-aware of what you're capable of. Now, on the other side of that, being an amateur and just starting off, the gear is not necessarily what matters. You focusing on learning should be your main priority. I started off when I first started with a Canon T2i. That was about 11 or 12 years ago. I bought it. I was shooting, nothing crazy with it. I didn't know anything about lenses. I didn't know anything about cameras. I didn't know anything about shutter speed, ISO, any of that shit. Again, self-taught, YouTube University. I had the camera in place, I had my phone in my hand, and I watched YouTube, and I did exactly what was needed. Now, that only takes you to a certain extent. You may want to start shadowing depending on what field of photography or videography you're getting in. The more you level up on what you're doing on a day-to-day basis, you're going to see that some of the gear actually makes your job a lot easier. You may not notice that in the beginning because you just don't know that side of things yet. You also want to think about, when you're first starting off, what do you want to shoot? What are you interested in? Are you interested in video? Are you interested in photography? Are you interested in landscape portraits? Are you interested in helping companies and building a brand for companies and doing the criteria for the companies that they may need for their media? That's all something you need to take into consideration as you go throughout your journey. This is strictly my opinion, but if you're not investing in the actual gear, then what the fuck are you investing in? You're never going to grow from there. You're never going to, take those next steps because what you're using is not capable of delivering the product that the client needs. It's that simple. At the end of the day, and I didn't mean to ramble on here, but I wanna make sure I'm very clear about what I'm saying. If you are a professional, guys, gear matters all the way. If you're an amateur and you're just starting off, focus on learning. Focus on those minor details. Focus on editing. Focus on the style of editing you're trying to learn. Focus on all these things that will eventually ball up and make your product that you're delivering a lot better. I'd love to get your comments about what you think, if gear matters or not. If you agree with me, great. I still want to hear the comments. If you could just drop them down below. Make sure that you're not being an asshole in the comments. Like, I hate to say it like that, but I've seen some comments here and there that people are just being rude to each other and shit. So just make sure you're dropping down your opinion below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. That is strictly my opinion. Again, I was an amateur and I moved my way up to being a professional photographer and working my way to be a videographer professionally. It's something I chose to do additional to my photography services, and hopefully that works out. But if you like this video, go ahead and like, share, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're sharing this to other creators. I'd love their feedback. I love your feedback. And stay tuned for more videos. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back, baby. Peace. Enjoy.